Hi everyone and welcome to my Lewis dot structure movie. I'm in group B with the covalent molecule HCN, which is formonatride, and the polyatomic covalent ion SO3 -2, which is sulfate. Let's start with HCN. First, thanks to the periodic table, we know the valence electrons for hydrogen, which is 1. For carbon, which is 4, and nitrogen, which is 5. The second step is to find out how many bonds we need. We figure this out by adding all the valence electrons of all the atoms, dividing by 2, subtract the unshared pairs, which in this case is 1, and this gives us the 4 bonds we need. This is how the model looks like once I connected the atoms having carbon in the middle and following the rule of octet, except for hydrogen and showing the 4 bonds that we figured out before. Now let's move on to the polyatomic covalent ion SO3 -2. Again, thanks to the periodic table, we know the valence electrons for sulfur, which is 6, and oxygen, which is also 6. If you like, you can do the step that I showed you before to find the number of bonds. But here I directly connected the atoms and I realized that 2 of the oxygen atoms still had 2 empty spaces which needed to be filled. These spaces are filled with 2 atmospherical electrons which I highlighted with the red marker and a cross in the circle. By adding these atmospherical electrons, the polyatomic is -2 charged. The correct way to write the model is to write the structure in brackets and then outside the brackets its charge. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.